I think this is an improvement on all the other elections that I've participated on. And very seamless, very fast. And if it continues like this, then I want to believe that INEC is improving on not only their facilities, the training of the personnel that are handling the process. It's too early to call. We are still putting our ears to the ground as to what is happening in other polling units. But here, I'm very satisfied with the process, with the personnel that are handling the process. For concerns, yes, we have concerns about Nembe Basambri, where party members, most of whom have been excluded, our agents have been stopped from going into Nembe. And so that's a very serious concern. Our party has written an official letter to the chairman of INEC. And INEC has to take drastic actions to ensure that our people are allowed to go in there to vote. In any case, what we call for is a free, fair process where the beavers should be used, just as I have done here today. So let the accreditation be by the beavers in Nembe Basambri. So special attention has to be taken on Nembe Basambri because everything points to the fact that in Nembe Basambri, PDP members are chased out of their community.
Take me along.